Sure, Talia.
Thank you. I love egg, Mommy. Do you like potatoes?
What?
I love hats. I like to bring hats to my school. Mommy,
What are you eating?
soup.
Soup.
I love soup.
What kind of soup?
Soup Lego.
Soup Lego.
This is not soup legal.
What?
Speak Tagalog. Talia Fulfot.
Lemon dress.
Hmm?
Lemon dress.
Oh, sorry.
That's just Mommy. This is Lego.
Give it to me.
Whoa, it's sticky. It's very sticky.
Yeah? What's that? What are you drinking?
Because I'm thirsty.
What drink is that?
Orange juice.
Orange juice? You love orange juice?
Yes.
And?
Milk.
And?
Water.
What?
I love water and juice and milk. I love everything.
You love everything.
I really like it. I really like my juice.
It's a healthy juice. Yummy, yummy.
Look, Mommy, look. There's a frog.
Let me see.
A frog.
Yeah. What the frog says?
Ribbit.
Very good, though.
Rub ribbit.
Lollipop said, lollipop for is Dila.
Dila for you.
Yeah, I love lollipop. And that was ice cream. I love ice cream. I love ice cream cone. I like chocolate ice cream cone.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, you count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.
Yes.
You missed 2 numbers. 8, 9.
10.
Very good. Bravo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yeah.
I count 11, Mommy.
Oh, that's not 11.
What is it?
Okay, you count again.
1,